Well, hello everyone. Hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk and Creations. I am an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today's project I'm going to be making a sign using this transfer, Queen of Everything. I thought this would be a really cute sign for a teenage girl's room. So I decided to use this color. It was February's color of the month. You can no longer get this. It's not available to the public, but you can use a different color if you'd like to. This is called Dream Car. Now, I do have some of this available in my inventory, but it's only available to my group members. You are welcome to join my group as long as you are not a Chalk Couture designer. That is per Chalk Couture's contract rules, not mine. And I ship within the United States. But you're welcome. I will have a link posted down below in the description box where you'd like to join it. If you'd like to purchase a jar of this, you are welcome to. And I'm also going to be using the color Shimmer Harvest for the crown. Now, you could use gold if you would like to. I will have an editable shopping cart link, so you could change things out if you know, and choose whatever colors you would like to. So this is what the gold looks like, and this is the Shimmer Harvest. I want more of the yellow gold versus kind of like the brassy gold. But it's totally your preference. You could do silver if you want, whatever colors you would like. And so we'll see how this looks on the black background. If you would like to, you could also use like a canvas board. This is a 9x12 canvas board. You could use whatever surface that you'd like to, but I'm going to be using the Aiden Frame. This is reusable and this is magnetic. And with it having the dark surface, I think these colors are going to pop. I'm not sure, but this is kind of out of my comfort zone and it's something a little bit different, but I'm going to give it a go. And if I don't like it, I can clean it and change out my colors if I want to. But anyhow, I thought this would make a really cute sign for a teenager. You could also use this on a tote bag with ink or on a t-shirt. I think that would be really cute too. Like if you want to do like a girls' night out or something like that, or for like a bridal. And you wanted to make a bunch of t-shirts for like a bridal party when your ladies are going out. This would be perfect. These are reusable anywhere from 8 to 12 times. Now, the Aiden Frame is very smooth. So you need to fuzz this quite a few times, which I've already done that. So I'm taking this off its backer sheet. You want to keep it. I've already marked the back of it. I will have an editable shopping cart link if you'd like to get any of the products. You know, if you wanted to get, you know, this Shimmer Harvest, or if you wanted to get the Shimmer Gold Paste, the Fuzzing Cloth, the Aiden Frame, it's editable. You might even want to get a different surface. But I think that would be really cute too if you want to do t-shirts for a bridal party, Queen of Everything. I think that would be cute. But I was thinking of a teenage girl for some reason or another when it just popped in my head, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do this on an Aiden Frame. This would be really cute. But anyway, I'm fuzzing this because it is reusable and it is sticky on the back. So you want to minimize some of that stickiness so that way it does not stick to your surface so well. Now, if you're going to use this on fabric, you do not need to fuzz. Just wanted to let you know that. But if you're going to use it like on a smooth surface, you need to make sure that you fuzz it very well so that way it does not stick too well to your surface because you do not want to stretch and distort. Now, you can measure if you would like to. I kind of eyeball things. That's just how I am. Once in a while I will measure some things, but for the most part, I just wing it. So I'm hoping this looks like what I have pictured. I'm not sure. So nothing ventured, nothing gained. Don't try it. Don't be afraid to experiment. Like I said, this is a reusable magnetic surface. So if I don't like it, I can just clean it off and do it again. That is one of the things I love about some of Chalk Couture's surfaces that are reusable. You can always change it out. And if you're doing this for a teenage daughter or granddaughter, and you can change the design however their mood swings to something else. Okay, I'm just smoothing this over very well to make sure I don't have any little lumps or bumps or fuzzies underneath there or any air bubbles that could be preventing my transfer from adhering to my surface very well, and try to make sure I don't have any air pockets or anything around the silk screen here where the wording is. So that way to minimize any seepage underneath the transfer. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Oh, I forgot my little plate. That's all right. I'll just use my backer sheet. I can wipe that off. So I'm going to, which color do I want to start with first? Dream Car or the Shimmer Harvest? You know what? I'm going to do the Dream Car first. This is a vibrant, vibrant hot pink. Like I said, this was Chalk Couture's color of the month for February. You can no longer get it, and I do have a couple of jars available in my group. Those are strictly for my group members, so like I said, I will have a link posted down to that below. Now, if this is too bright, you want to use a different color, you can do that too. Like I said, that cart is editable, so you can add whatever colors you want. You just will not be able to add this particular color. And all you do is you generously apply it to your transfer with a mini squeegee, just to make sure that you have good coverage. You can always scrape off the excess. Now, some colors will stain your transfers. There is nothing wrong with that. Just make sure that whenever you clean your transfer, you do not have any paste that is dried in that silk screen, because then it will not go through on your next design. I do have some videos on how to clean your transfer. I have one in April's Club. In that video, I do show that when I'm using the Aiden Frame on how to clean a transfer at your table. Just, you just need to make sure that the surface on your table, use something that you don't mind to wipe off or anything like that. If you got a nice wood table or something and you want to protect it, get something to protect it. Now I'm just scraping off the excess, that way I have good even coverage. Oh, I left off a little bit of my Y there. There we go. All right, I'm just going to lay that down. And now I'm going to go into the Shimmer Harvest. Have a little sparkle there, that crown. And I'm just scraping off the excess there. All right, it is time for the peel and reveal. Oh, I love that. I love that. I wasn't, oh, hold on a second. I gotta get my towel so I can lay this down. I gotta get my chair out of the way. I've got to cross the table here. Until I can get this to the sink and clean it, I've got an extra towel laying here. And I put it sticky side down. Now, you don't leave it here for hours or several minutes, any length of time, because that paste could dry in your silk screen. I'm just doing this temporarily until I finish this video. Now, you can let this air dry. I'm going to use my little drying tool, so that way you can see how this looks dry on this black background. I think this would look really nice against white also. If you wanted to use like a canvas board, you could do that too. But I just think that hot pink against that black, it's just drama. I hope this video gave you some inspiration and some ideas. I got some paste, I think, on my frame. Maybe not. I don't know. Paste, it will clean up. But I hope this gives you some ideas of something you can do with this transfer. And different color combinations. Yeah, this is starting to brighten up a little bit more as it dries. And if you're using a reusable surface and it's a color combination you just don't like it, you can clean it off and start over again. Oh, I like how this is turning out. Like I said, I will have an editable shopping cart link If you like to get the Aiden Frame, or if you just want to get the transfer and some other colors of paste, and I will have a link to my my VIP group on Facebook. So if you like to get a jar of this dream card, you can. I only ship within the United States. Just so I would let you know that. Okay, I think this is good and dry. And there we go. I like how that turned out. Queen of everything. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching, and you have a beautiful day.